Mbak, Mbak, wait. Mbak Milia, do you want to open the session first, or we can start directly?
Mr. Hafiz, maybe we can start directly.
Okay.
Is yours.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good night, good evening, good day for all of you.
Thank you very much.
Don't forget to prepare your coffee. Okay, let's start. Today, as Mr. Bayu explained previously, we hope we can do classification, image classification until calculating the area of mangrove. Okay, I will start to share my screen. Share screen. Okay. Like yesterday, I will give you a demo first, one by one, starting from maybe how to select the training area, and then I will give a time to you for exercise or for trying. And then we will move to how to do image classification, and after that you can try by yourself. And the last I will show you how to make a simple layout for a mangrove map. For the first, I will maybe all of you can open your QGIS application, and in my screen I have opened it, and then we will watch in SGP plugin. Can you see my share screen? It is SGP Windows.
Yes, we can see it.
Yeah.
Previously, we need to open our previous data that we have processed yesterday. We can drag the data from the browser here. Wait a minute. Home, documents, I save mangrove mapping in Segara Anakan, Lancet. Yep. Process. Yeah. We have new image with the name here. Just drag the file from band 1 until band 11. And then still loading. Wait. The first thing is open our data. Call the data by drag our image, each band to the QGIS area here, and then first thing is open our bands, and then we move to SGP to do training area selection. And after we open the data, go to band set and click refresh here. Oh, still loading. Where is the data? Mangrove mapping, process. Open. One, two, we have band set 1 with the bands 1 until 11. Then set the wavelength setting 1 to 11. Oh, we don't need minus. Yes. 1. Okay, and 2018 August and 16.
Sorry, you just removed something from the band set. You know, you only now have bands 1 to 7 and not 1 to 11.
Yes, regarding according to the wavelength quick setting here, only 1 until 7. Sir?
Okay.
Yeah. Then I can move to this. Oh. Wait, I will repeat it again. Remove and refresh and close. Call the band. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. One, two. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here we put the band set here and move to select all and plus, and automatically move to band set 1. So we will work with the band in a band set 1. And when we do classification, the classification will calculate the all band only in band set 1. If you want customize the band that you need to classify the several band, for example, only for band here. So afterward, you need to choose band set 2. So back to band set 1 here, and then back to this and open the SCP doc here and go to training input. But first thing, we also need to clipping the area due to save our storage. Like if we process all the data for whole scene, it will take times and big big size of data. So after we open the band, then do, where is it, band processing, clipping here. How to do clipping? How to do clipping is just select band set 1. Band set 1 relate to band set 1 here. So the all band will clip into the specific size, and then clipping and define the area by here. We need to set RGB. Okay. 5, 6, 7. No, nothing happened here. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 here. 5, 6, 7. Oh, yeah. Clipping here, plus back to here, and for exercise, we only do in a small area by left click and right click here. First, the first point by left click in your mouse, and the second point the below left by right click on your mouse here. Upper left and lower right. And then back to SCP again, automatically the upper left and lower right will be filled, and then run for process. Open. And then this will associate to between the clipping area. Select cover classes vegetation there's vegetation grass etc. So okay, back to here and band set and add band set 2, refresh, and we have a other band with clip on the each band name. Band 1 add to band set 2. Band 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. And then please remember the band set number 2. Why still here? Clipping. Show. Okay. And go to SCP. Define. SCP. Go to SCP and create new training input. Okay. Create new training input and then snipping. Rectangular mode full screen freehand. Then go to here. One. Fed right pointer. Active printers. Choose one from mangrove. Mangrove. Okay. Set the distance. Select training and just create new training import. Active. Class ID, class ID. So the distance. So after this, any question? I think you can try by yourself to select the training area because it takes time. We will select together, and if you have trouble, we can solve together.
Yeah, I think I would love if you can start the whole process again. Yeah, can you repeat the process again?
The
Yeah, I
process.
agree. You were from the. We assumed that this was the demo, and you were just going through before we actually expected us to start because it was a bit confusing as you're going through. So you probably need to start from the beginning so we can try and follow along.
Okay. I will repeat it again. Wait. After from this word step, can you do you understand about this step? First, open our band. Open the bands.
Yes.
With the name. RT. Blah blah blah. From band 1 to band 7. Yes. Okay. From band 1 to band 7. I will close it. Yes.
So for me, my under the band name, the band number doesn't correspond with the center wavelength. I mean, oh, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Uh, uh, it's better to correspond the band set here with the center wavelength by choosing this setting. Wait a minute. Remove. We start from beginning. Okay. 1 7. Okay, done here. Next. Put the pen Windows and set. Clicking refresh. Okay. Refresh. By clicking refresh, we have the bands and select all. Move to here and then set here. Then go to click multiple master wave processing. Processing. Open the band FT. Press processing. Select input. Set 1. Set 1. And then click coordinate by click on icon. Mouse for upper, lower, right.
Can we select any area when we're clicking, or do we need to click a very specific area?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat? Pardon. Excuse me.
When you're doing the click, for the step that you're writing right now, can we just select any area on the map, or is there a specific area that you want us to be clicking?
Yeah. In specific area, sir. In specific area with yes. Yes. Variation cover. Of course, including minor. We need to no. Exercise we do in small area. Okay, I will practice. Make better session. Oh wait, I'm still. We need to pass here. Sure. Excel.
Sorry, Mr. Hafiz.
Yeah.
Before I can clip it, so it's just like the set area in the map.
Can you share your screen?
Wait. Is it?
Yeah. Click the Roy icon, because
This one?
the gray box with the Roy. Yep. Yeah.
Then?
Yeah.
So I just clip it through this, and is it what? Or I clip it through?
No. The icon is for Roy processing. So for clipping, is going back to the SCP Windows.
Is it seen or not? Sorry.
No, I cannot see your
Wait.
screen share. Yeah.
I just share my whole screen. This one. This.
Yep.
So I just input the bed that has been set one.
Click the plus icon, GIS. Yeah. Then going back to QGIS Windows. Yep. And left click.
Oh, left click.
Yeah, left click first, and then right click.
Okay, done.
Yep. And you can customize the area by change the cursor location.
Okay, I just okay. I found it. I
Yeah.
just misclicked. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. We continue. For all of you, I think we can do together while I'm typing the process, and when you got a trouble or have something, we will solve together. Oh, my baby crying.
Hey, sorry, Mr. Hafiz. I just want to ask again. So the clipping process, it's the same folder as the process before, or we make a new folder?
Oh, same as the folder previously, because yeah. We will collect all the process result in one folder. Then
Okay.
when you want to copy your data to your college, you only need to copy one folder. It's easy to transfer data.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Hafiz.
You're welcome, sir. Okay, we continue back to Ben set toolbar. And Press. Display. Clipping pen. Refresh. Add a new band set bin. On the side.
Mr. Hafiz, can you
Yeah,
hear
yeah.
me?
Yeah, sir.
Mr. Hafiz, I have just deleted the bandset 1. Now the new and one and only bandset we have is bandset 1 with clipped image. Is it
Yeah.
okay?
Is it okay, sir? Wait. When your clip band in bandset 1 in processing, we will you need to set select input band as a bandset 1, but I must set as bandset 2 because my clip bands in bandset 2 here.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, Mr. Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I just loaded the bands in band set 1. So I click on run. Yes, nothing happened.
Pardon?
Nothing happened. I click on run.
In bandset toolbar or where?
No, band set 1. I'm still in band set 1.
Okay.
So I click on run. I loaded in the band, the RC bands, and I click on run, but nothing is happening.
Yeah, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Or can you share your screen, sir?
Okay. Okay, can you see it now?
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. And then no. We don't need to run this process in bandset. We only need set a band that we want to process, clipping and classification and etc. So we don't need to click around.
What about this center wavelength?
Yeah, it's regarding the setting on the wavelength quick setting. I don't remember all the wavelength for all band. The wavelength for
so I can leave this page and go to, or I should go to clip multiple raster.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, the select input band set is band set 1. Yes.
Okay.
And then click plus. Yep, and going back to QGIS Windows. Okay, I will continue. Sub, then set to. Click the icon add new band set 1 on the right side to make a band set 2. And then select all click bands in single band list box. Select all clips band. By click plus icons on the right side.
Also, the RGB, I inputted 567 and I typed enter. Nothing is showing as well.
Oh, first make sure in band set all the band because it is correspond between the SGP to the QGIS. When I set RGB with wait, maybe the virtual band under the grayscale band. Check on the layers. You can move upward.
Yes, I'm in layers. So all I have in layers are the 7 bands.
Okay. Please share your screen,
Oh,
sir.
okay, let me share
Yeah.
my screen. So I have the 7 bands here.
Okay. Then try to make a true composite. Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, I typed enter, nothing is nothing is coming up.
Okay. Wait. Go to SCP doc and check the band set. Is it okay? It's okay. Yeah. And back to QGIS Windows. And make the false true color by typing 432. Yeah, choose 44. Yeah, and enter.
Nothing is even coming up.
Wait. Wait a minute. Try to click on RGB and yep. Yeah. And then type 567. Yep. Okay. Can we continue?
Okay.
Okay. Where are we? Selected band, a single band list. Then by click plus icon on the right side. And then we will have all clickbait in step 2. Step 2. And we have clip bands in band set 2. Set the wavelength and set the wavelength. Okay. Afterwards, no. We and then go to select training area and sweep it up. Dot in. Training input. Create a new training input. Create a new training for save in process folder name with the name to
Sorry, Mr. Hafiz. So
Yes.
first we made the folder first, yeah, about the training area. Okay. Correct.
guys, how if we take a break for 5 minutes?
Okay, Mr. Hafiz. Sure.
It's okay, Mr. Hafiz.
Okay.
I want to capture the screen and input to the words, but I just update my Windows into 11 and I don't know much more how to customize the setting of the icon and etc. 5 minutes for take a break. Do you want? Open the band FT browser. Snipping rectangle mode. Yeah.
Mr. Hafiz,
Yes, Mbak.
we have one question in chat room from Damal.
Oh yeah.
Can you send your note?
Yes, of course. After we finish the whole process.
Okay, it's clear, Dampal.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Mr. Hafiz.
Yes, Mbak.
We have one question again from Tolulope. How do I select ROI pointer? ROI pointer.
Oke, Mbak. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How do I select ROI pointers? Select. Sorry. Okay, after this, please make sure. Training in SCP doc. Thanks. Create new training input, save a process folder with the name training area here, activate ROI pointers. Oh, I have a training area and I have okay. Then go to here. Activate arrow pointer. Arrow pointer. Identify mangrove. Click on it.
Sorry, Mr. Hafiz.
Yes.
I kind of missed out from the
So
as this in this after I set the band set 2 and then go to arrow I. Is it right? And then I'm make a new training input.
yes.
Is it right?
Yes, yes.
Sorry, before it, then in the band set, after the set the wavelength, we should run it, isn't it? Or
No, no, no.
oh, don't run it. Okay, I'm not running it. So create the new training input, save in process folder name with training area. Oh, saved in process folder, sorry.
Where is insert?
Okay, then.
Wait, SGP doc number 1. Number 2, create new training input here. Number 2. And then save in process folder. Okay. Set the distance. The distance. It's 001. one. Oh. Number 2. Set the distance. Number 1. And okay. Okay, and then oh,
Sorry to interrupt you. While you are waiting for the Mr. Hafiz to finish their works, all the participants, have you tried to follow this process based on the video tutorial given by the committee?
Yeah. So Mr. Bayu, we follow it, but take slowly because Mr. Hafiz wants to explain detail to us.
And have you tried to identify the object and then define it as the ROI for the classification process? Have you tried to identify the object for collecting the ROIs?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not
Okay.
yet. I'm just
After you open.
so after this, I want to try it because before Mr. Hafiz want to screenshot all of the steps.
Yeah, I have tried Mas Bayu, but may I asking one? Mr. Hafiz was setting the distance when the ROI in the ROI process, the ROI process with 0.001, but the default setting is 0.000. I think this is more than this. So why we set the distance 0.001 like Mr. Hafiz said before?
So we call this as the similarities variable. So the similarities variables is some kind of the quantity amount of the distance between the number of the pixel. While we I mean like this one, when we click on the certain pixel or a particular pixel, it should be the pixel has certain number or particular number, right? And then when we click on that and you imagine the space of the spectral, I mean like this one, if you make a graph with the axis of y and x, something like that, and then the y is the y-axis for the band 1 and then x-axis for the band 2, and then when you collect the pixel, for instance, or click the pixel, and then when you put the data or the number of the pixel of band 1 and band 2 in this graph, you will see maybe better if I write down in here. Yeah, I draw the picture in here. Sorry. if you don't mind, like this one. So this is, we call this the space of the spectral. Space of spectral. We have the y and x. For instance, we have two variable, band 1 and sorry, this is difficult to draw the text here, and the band 2 like this one. So wherever you click the pixel in the image, you will have the number of band 1 and band 2, and then you put the number in the graph like this one. For instance, in this, and then with the growing algorithm tools provided from the SCP plugin, you can adjust the number of the distance, between your pixel. I mean the radius, the distance equal to the radius of the range in your sample pixel like this one, and then border of your group of pixels, and like this one. So wherever you click in the image, and then you have the number of the and then you put in the graph like this one, and then you have the distance 0.0001. Maybe the diameter or the range of the distance between your sample of pixel can like this one. So every pixel inside this distance will be extract up by the computer. For instance, when you click on certain location, like in here, for instance, in here, and then they will calculate the distance between the distance within your sample of pixel inside this border area, something like that. So it should be, if you see the similar color like this one, when you collect the color of cyan like this one, and then this should be the surrounded pixel over here with the same color cyan, should be has the similar number with your sample. So if your sample is inside this radius of the distance, so they will extract or include in the polygon in your sample of polygon, something like that.
Your Roy's polygon, you done for the 7 classes.
I hope you understand.
I try to understand.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Bayu, can you hear me?
Perhaps you can share with us.
I can hear you.
I think what you have just discussed about the distance, I think it may be something like a standard deviation. That means when I'm clicking any pixel, so this pixel have some value, and he just add some other pixel that is within the plus minus this distance. The value is within this plus minus this distance. That means something like a standard deviation.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Like a standard, something like standard deviation, but kind of like of this one.
With your
so this is just for for calculating the sample of your pixel. So wherever you click on this one, like this one, and then you put your pixel, just imagine you put your pixel in the graph of y and x, kind of like this one.
Okay.
And then you put the pixel in here,
so
for example,
using,
and then the radius from your sample to the certain distance. This is what SCP means of the distance. So I think this is also equal with the standard deviation, as you mentioned before. Kind of the
same class ID. for the same.
Thank you. But is this the standard value 0.001?
The water body class,
Or we can change
made,
it as I need.
or yeah, it should be one.
Sorry?
First. You need,
Yeah, we can adjust it.
Okay. This is not the standard value 0.001. This
No,
is
there's no standard value.
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
We can change it.
There's no standard. Yeah,
change
we can adjust it.
someone.
Thank you.
Mr. Bayu and Mr. Hafiz, we have 1 minute left before break time.
Yeah.
Yay! Break time.
Because I received information from the committee that we will break at 12 o'clock.
Yes, coffee. Yes, okay. It's good.
So we need to come back at 1 p.m. GMT plus 7, maybe one hour later. Thank you, Mr. Hafiz.
Start from now.
It depends on you. If you have finished to explain something, maybe you can finish the class.
Yes. Thank you. Okay.
Well, participant, we will be, now we are come to break session. We'll back to breakout room again at 1 p.m. Okay, thank you.
See you later. See you later, guys. I will try to make a lot of snipping here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
See you later.